So the last time I've done this was 2 years ago apparently. I checked on my video, that one over there, which I've got up just to make sure I know what I'm doing. So if you've never done this before, it's quite easy to do, and the best thing about it, I have two maintenance boxes. Best thing about it is the price. Just over £8 each on Amazon. Link in the video description below. Yeah, £8. So they come down in price. I think the last time I paid about 20 quid or something like that. I can't remember. It was a while ago. I suppose I could have a look, but I'm not going to. Anyway, the reason I'm doing it is because it's now saying it's end of life for my maintenance box, so I need to change it. And I think the reason behind that is the fact that I've been trying to clean it. I haven't been doing like a deep clean where you do a big flush and it uses a lot of ink. I haven't been doing that. But one of the colours wasn't printing properly. It was, or it just had the little lines, scatters of it, little gaps, if you like. So I tried doing that. It didn't work. I've done a few. It didn't work. And then it come up and said, oh, you need to change your maintenance box. So that's what we're doing in this video. Because my wife, she wants to print out some pictures. She likes printing out pictures. Now, as far as I understand, they don't actually sell this unit no more. Obviously, they have a newer version of it, hopefully. I haven't looked, but I'm assuming they have a newer version. And I thought, well, I'll do a little video just to show you how easy it is to change even after 2 years. And if this doesn't resolve my issue where I've got them little lines or gaps on a certain colour, I think it's a red or whatever it's called, whatever colour the red one is, I can't remember now. If I can't clean it, I will show you another way that might help to resolve the issue, which is basically top it up, because sometimes that will force it through just by topping it up. And if that fails, then I will do a clean by hand. Basically find a little hole where it comes out, give that a good clean, and fingers crossed it should still work, or it should work and cure the problem. But let's do this first. Let's change the maintenance box because it's telling me I need to change it. So it's located on the back side, and it's located on the left hand side, if you like, if you're looking at the back. So all you do is you pull this out and put it out of the way for now. That's it. Yeah, apparently that's full up. It does feel quite heavy. I think I said that in my original video as well. A new one out. So I'll get her out. There you go. Comes in a nice usable or reusable bag. I'll get that out. Make sure it's the right way up. Should have Epson on the back. Yeah, just make sure it's reading from left to right and it's the right way up. This you need to use for your old one, just to make sure she doesn't leak. I think I said that in the last video as well. See that? Look, it started leaking already. So that was lucky. So chuck it back in there. Again, make sure it's the right way up. That way it definitely won't leak. Put this in. Make sure it goes into place. Push this down. Oh, I've got a bit of ink on me. Just a one little drop. That's right, sorted. Yeah, that's in. Put the lid back on. Close her up. Plug her in. Oh yeah, make sure before you do all this, make sure you unplug it first. Where do I plug it in? Down here somewhere. Yeah, it's in. Let's turn her around so you can see it. And that should be ready. Just going to double check though. Go to the home page which we're on. Scroll left and right. Go to maintenance, nozzle check, maintenance box service. And it's showing it's all good. So yeah, we're good to go. That was easy enough, yeah? Now let me show you what she looks like when she prints out. Oh, that's not too bad actually. Oh, see that? Yeah, that one there. that colour. That's pretty good. It was a lot better than yesterday. So I'm going to do a clean and start. It does take a little bit of time, so I'll skip through this a little bit just for use.
A few moments later.
Right, so the cleaning is finished. Let's do a print nozzle check pattern and see what it comes out like. Hopefully better than this one. So that's it at the moment, or as it was last time. And voila, that is it now. Perfect. Brilliant. So that's nice and clean. But while we're here, I am actually going to top up the colours because she wants to do a lot of printing, so it makes sense to do it now rather than later. I think the main black's okay. Looking at it, it's pretty full. Right. Oh, and the colour I was on about was magenta. Yeah, that one. Told you, I thought it was red, you know. So I'm going to do the magenta first while we're doing that. So go like that. And just make sure you don't overfill it. Don't know if you can see that on my camera. Down there somewhere. That's pretty full. Get that out. I think there's still a little bit in there. Oh, the other thing to remember, don't shake them up. You're doing yourself no favour if you shake them up, or no favours. Blue definitely needs topping up. This is cyan. That one's empty. I'll have to change that. Definitely empty that baby. I've got another one, by the way. Yellow next. That'll do for you. Now, I've got two blacks. It was a bit weird this, right? Because we got black for just printing out normal stuff, like, you know, letters and things like that. And then we got a printing black, if that makes sense. But they're basically the same. From what I can tell, they are both exactly the same, just in different containers. So I don't need to use that one, but I do need to use this one. And it's not messy neither. Do for you. Right, cyan. I need a new cyan, don't I? Cyan. I hope. Yep. Been sitting there for, well, it's been sitting there for a few years actually. Do I need a knife? I do. Oh, close that. Cyan, that baby. And that is it. Reset ink levels. Okay, and press OK to proceed. Okay. Right, so you need to tick this. So go 1, 2, because I've basically topped them all up, except for the main black, and that's pretty full anyway. And then reset ink levels. Okay, select clear, and we need to press this. And OK for done. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I do like this printer though. It did give me a lot of hassle at the beginning, but since then it's been brilliant. So with that, if you like this video, you know what to do. Subscribe, click on the bell for notifications, and consider giving me the thumbs up because it will help the YouTube algorithms give me promotion on my little videos. Thanks very much for watching.